Hello children, let us learn about parts of plants today. Okay, see page number 120. Name any four parts of your body. Just like us, even plants are made up of different plants. Okay, name any four parts of your body. Our body parts like legs, hands, head, uh, then neck, right? We have body body parts like this, right? Just like us, even plants are made up of different parts. Like us, plants are also having the different parts. Okay, see, you usually cannot see me, but I support and hold the plants together. I also absorb water and minerals from the soil for the plant. See, usually we cannot see it, but it support and hold the plants together. See, a root. Okay, I am the root. We cannot see them. Why? Because they are under the soil. They are in the soil, so we cannot see the roots. And but roots support and hold the plant together. It is keeping the plant together, and it absorbs water and minerals from the soil. Plants and trees needs water and minerals to live. So these water and minerals absorbs from the soil. Root absorb water and minerals from the soil, and uh, it is making the plants alive, right? So we can write here soil. I am the soil. Okay, soil. Do roots grow only under the ground? Yes or no? No. Do roots grow only under the ground? No. Why? Because some roots, some roots of plants grow under the soil. See, here you can see a picture of banyan tree. Okay, here you can see roots are growing upside, right? Some trees grow like banyan trees. Roots are growing under the soil and upside also. Okay, so you can tick here no. See the next page. I am the central part of the plant and carry food and water to the whole plant. Who am I? See, I am the central part of the plant. See this part of the plant and carry food and water to the whole plant. It is carrying food and water to the whole plant, to the leaves and to the stems, to the upper part of the plant. This is the central part of the plant, and it carry water, food and water to the upper part of the plant. And who am I? Stem. Okay, STEM, stem. STEM, stem. Okay, see, some stems are so weak that you can pull them out, whereas some are twice as big as both of us combined. See, some stems are so weak. Some plants stems are very weak, like creepers and climbers. Their stems are very weak stems, right? And we can pull them out, whereas some are twice as big as both of us combined. And some stems, some tree like trees stems are very big, right? They are very big, we cannot pull them out easily, right? They are too big, and some plants stems are very weak. There are weak and strong stems, right? So one part is one part of the plant is root, and next one stem, right? And what is next? Usually green. We are a lot of us. We also make food for the plant with the help of sunlight. We are the dash. What are those? They are green, looking green. See, you can see here. What is this? Leaves, right? Usually green, most of the leaves are green in color, and we are a lot of us. We can see many leaves in a plant, right? We also make food for the plant with the help of sunlight. Leaves are making food for the plants with the help of sunlight. With the help of sunlight, leaves make food for the plants. Okay, so you can write here leaves, Leaves, Leaves. Okay, do all leaves look the same? Do all leaves look the same? No, they are different, right? They are different in size and colors, right? And see in the next part, we are colorful, we smell good, we make seeds and fruits, we are the most beautiful part of the plant. See, we are colorful. See, who are they? They are flowers, right? They are flowers. We are colorful, we smell good, we make seeds and a fruit. They smells good. Flowers are having good smell, right? And we are they make flowers make seeds and fruits, and they are the most beautiful part of the plant. Okay, they looks very beautiful, right? They are flowers. 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 Okay. See, name your favorite flower. Which is your favorite flower? You can write here. Okay, my favorite flower is rose. So I am writing here rose. You can write here your favorite flower. Okay. Oh, where does it grow? Tree, shrub, herb, creeper, or climber. On where does it grow? It grow on every kind of plants, like on trees, on shrubs, on herbs, on creeper, on climbers also, right? Okay, fill this in your textbook. Okay, rose, flowers, leaves, stem, and soil here. Okay.